I want to thank everybody for the tremendous support. I'm going to Walter Reed Hospital. I think I'm doing very well, but we're going to make sure that things work out. The First Lady is doing very well. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. I will never forget it. Thank you. To uphold our Constitution as written tomorrow, I will be announcing my nominee to the United States Supreme Court. The great thing about Air Force One, there are more televisions on that plane than any plane. They got them in every room, and you open up for a closet. You want a shirt. Let me go, oh, there's a television. And I'm watching the Democrats saying how terrible it is that we're appointing. We have the right. We won the election, right? That we have the right. We won the election. And we have a lot of time. And if they were in opposition, they would do the same thing. Maybe they would just do it more rapidly, okay? More rapidly. No, so tomorrow I think is going to be a big day. 5 o'clock tomorrow at the White House. We're going to be naming the nominee. Hopefully we'll be on that court for 50 years. 50. 50 years. Be on there for 50 years. The only thing I can tell you for sure is it will be a woman. Is that okay? Does anybody have any objections to that? Please raise your hand. A lot of cowards out there. Look at you men. I don't see how. There's not one man here that has the guts to raise your hand.